Hi friends, welcome to Whizbusters. I'm Emma and today I'm going to show you a little more about sorting your data using Google Sheets. Sometimes we might want to sort data based on 2 or more columns, and Google Sheets can help us do that. So let me show you what I mean and how you can do this. Suppose we have a table with the total sales for a given period at a local store. And there are 3 columns: department, product, and sales in dollars. Now notice there are multiple departments and multiple products. Suppose we want to display the table such that we sort the departments in ascending order and then sort the product in ascending order. Now recall, to sort we select the table range, then click Data at the top, then click Sort Range. A dialog box pops up, so click the checkbox to check off Data as header. And under Sort By, because we want to sort department, we choose Department. And click A to Z, since this is already default. This is to sort in ascending order, so we leave it as is. Then the next step is that we click Add another sort column. When we do this, it says Then By, and then you see that there's a drop-down menu. We choose which column we want to sort by. Since we want to sort by product next, we should choose product. There's product, sales, department, so we want to choose product. We also want to sort the products in ascending order, so we leave A to Z checked as is. Notice you can add more sort columns if you need to with larger data sets or more criteria. And since we are just sorting by 2 columns respectively, we don't need to add another column, so we will leave it at that. Finally, we click Sort. Looking at the table now, we can see that the department column begins with electronics in row 2, then furniture in row 6, and then you will see snacks in row 11. This is in ascending order. Also notice that in row 2 to 5 for the electronics department, under the product column, notice that it's in ascending order. Row 2 is batteries, chargers, and it goes up to USB cables in row 5. So the product column is also in ascending order within the electronics department. One more thing, note that the first column that you sort by will be of highest priority. Then the second column will be of the second highest priority, and so on. Great! There you go, my friends! Thank you for watching and learning, and hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this, and hit the bell to get notifications of the latest videos out. See you in the next video!